Let's take a look at how to set demographics targeting so that you can boost the performance of your ads and get better results. So, first things first, go over to campaigns in Google Ads, and then under audiences, keywords, and content, you should find audiences. Now, I have a search campaign selected up here at the top. And so when I scroll down, I see the demographics right here. And you can actually expand this into a table that's going to show you kind of the whole breakdown between all the different ad groups in your campaign if you want to see things in more depth. And this is where we can, make some different adjustments and things. So I don't know why I ended up all the way over here. I can modify this column and move the bid adjustment to the beginning. But depending on the performance, we can set a bid adjustment to help compensate for whether something's performing really well or not performing well, right? And we can do this for age, gender, and household income. So we'll start with age. It's probably the easiest one to get started with here. And you'll see some adjustments, some bid adjustments already set in here. And all bid adjustments is where you just say, hey, Google, I'm willing to pay like 20% more to get a click from this age range of people in this ad group because I'm getting really good results from that ad group. So we can see, now keep in mind that I'm looking at all-time data here. So it's as much data as we can look at for this specific campaign. And we should have, a couple hundred clicks on these different demographics here so that we can kind of get a good sense of what the data is going to be like. If you only have 2 or 3 clicks, then stuff's going to be really skewed. So just keep that in mind. But when I'm looking at the cost per conversion, this one ad group, or not ad group, in this ad group, this one demographic, which is the 55 to 64-year-old demographic, is getting us a lot of conversions and at a low cost per conversion. So it's converting quite well. So we're going to tell Google, hey, we want more of those conversions. So we're willing to spend a little bit more money if you can bring us a few more of those. And so we will increase the bid adjustment for that demographic age range, essentially, right? And then for age range that's not performing well, so let's say 65 and up is costing $181, which is like almost double what the 55 to 64 age range is at. Then we might want to say, okay, we'll still get clicks for that age demographic, but let's go 30% lower on the cost per click and see if we can still get some conversions, but at a lower cost, and bring down our average cost per conversion so then we can recoup some of that budget and put it elsewhere where it's going to perform better, like this age demographic. So that allows us to kind of optimize the demographic targeting in Google Ads so that we are getting in front of the right people as much as possible and saving money in areas where we're just not performing quite as well. So I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out and just drop your questions in the comment section down below. Get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and we'll look forward to working with you.